everyone and welcome! You guys, my channel has turned 10 years old this year. 10 years old! And also, I've recently hit 30,000 subscribers. So that, my friends, calls for a celebration. First of all, I want to say a huge thank you for your wonderful support over the past decade. It's been such an amazing journey and I've had so much fun creating hundreds of language lessons as well as cultural videos for you to learn from and enjoy. And I'm very thankful to each and every one of you guys subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, commenting and sharing, helping me fund my project through donations or by purchasing my books, and this way making it possible for me to keep on doing what I love and what I'm so passionate about. I know that some of you guys have actually been here since the very beginning, so thank you so much for sticking around and supporting my work over the years. I sincerely appreciate it. On this special occasion, I thought of doing a recap of my channel's evolution throughout the years. So here's a throwback to the biggest moments in the history of Learn Romanian with Nico. Hi and welcome to my Romanian language course. My name's Nico, I'm a native speaker of Romanian and I thought of starting this project because my guess is that there are people out there who wish to learn this language but unfortunately they can't find that many resources. So I'm just trying to help. I created Learn Romanian with Nico in 2013 using YouTube as a learning platform in an attempt to make Romanian more easily accessible to non-native speakers. At that time, there were very few learning resources for Romanian as a foreign language available online, so I took it upon myself to create this didactic project that was meant to help Romanian learners worldwide. My first lessons were an introduction to Romanian grammar with short conversational sketches and vocabulary lists in between.
Kellner, nota vă rog. Un moment. Poftiți. E drocie. Nu puteți face o reducere? Ca pentru un coleg, știți? Și dumneavoastră sunteți Kellner? Nu, sunt hoț.
I recorded the first series using a webcam, and since I was a complete tech noob with zero experience in video editing, well, my videos were quite unprofessional to say the least. The audio was bad, the videos were lacking in definition. That's why I decided to purchase some better equipment in order to make better videos. So I created a new series called Easy Peasy Romanian, and this time I spent more time designing and editing each video, experimenting with various editing software, and trying to find my own style. The series contained both grammar and vocabulary lessons, most of which can still be found on my channel. I then created a separate series for the part that was meant to show the language in practical contexts, which I named Romanian in Use. Here I included conversational short sketches,
Ioana, unde ești, Ioana? Ce-i, domnule, ce te agiți atâta? Asta e o sperietoare, domnule, ce credeai că e? Am pus-o aici că tot vin ciori și mănâncă tot, nu pot să mai plantez nimic.
simplified and adapted texts from Romanian literature such as Bubico by Ion Luca Caragiale.
Vai de mine, dar cum crezi dumneata? Noi suntem băieți cu minți și bine crescuți, nu-i așa, Bubi? Da, Bubi, Bubi, Bubi! Cucoană, eu sunt irascibil să nu se dea la mine că... Nu, frate, nu vezi că vrea să se împrietenească, da, Bubi!
Some of my favorite Romanian poems, such as Evocare by Nikita Stănescu. Ea era frumoasă ca umbra unui gând. Între ape, numai ea era pământ. Excerpts from Romanian novels or novellas such as Domnișoara Cristina by Mircea Eliade. Nu mi-e teamă de rugăciunile tale. Or my own compositions on various topics. Când sunt la mare, timpul curge altfel. I played around with other series as well. Some were better than the others. Some I abandoned. Others I kept on making to this day. Over the years, I featured dozens of grammar videos, vocabulary videos, conversational videos, videos treating different language aspects, recipe videos, cultural videos, and so on. During the running of this project, there have been several life-changing events in my personal life. My brother Alex died during a car accident. This shook me to the core. Never before had I felt deeper sadness. Then I became a mother. Never before had I felt deeper happiness.
Oh, nu pe tine!
Throughout the ups and downs of my life, I've tried to keep this channel alive. And even though I haven't always been that active, your encouraging comments, your constructive criticism, your suggestions and questions have always guided, motivated, and helped me keep this project going, think of new ways to improve it, and at the same time explore other tools and means of expanding it. In 2017, I published the first edition of my grammar book, and I also developed a website from scratch. In 2021, I published my second book that was based on the most extensive language series I've created so far, The Everyday Dialogues. Currently, I'm working on the second edition of my grammar book, which I will hopefully publish this year if everything goes well. It's been an insane amount of work, you guys. Such a complex process and such an up and down journey. So thank you so much for being the most wonderful audience and for always supporting me. Happy anniversary to all of us. I love you all and I'll see you next time. Be happy.